Alright, let's do this 1 minute handstand. Gotta roll up my sleeves. Uh-oh. Mushu's coming. Alright. Let's start the timer. Nope. That was just a warm-up. Alright. Now let's start the timer. Mushu's stretching in front of me. Pretty sure he's about to attack me. Yep. His headbutts are actually very distracting. Now he's coming back, headbutting my left arm, now my right arm. Now my face. Alright, thank goodness he's going away. Alright, we're right about. No, not yet. No, not yet, not yet. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. And that's a 1 minute handstand. First time ever. Okay, I think that was a minute, and my shoulders for the last 10 seconds were super tight. They really wanted to give out, but kept it because I really wanted to try to get that 1 minute today, and I think it's 1 minute. At least I'll have to check after this, so hopefully I'm not like celebrating for no reason, but my timer says 1 minute and 12 seconds. And let's just bring it there. And I started around 10 seconds. So if the camera shows me doing it for a minute, then I finally got a 1 minute handstand. And it's been a super long time that I wanted to do that, but I finally got it, and with Mushu distracting me as well. So that is a bonus. But of course, a goal isn't just to be reached once. I will try and remake this a couple times. The ultimate goal is hand hops, but I wanted to do a week by week thing where I focus in on one aspect of what I'm trying to reach as my ultimate goal. So handstands, and then I'll move on to two-handed hand hops, try to get 10 of those. I believe I can probably do that within a week, no problem, since I've already achieved 9 at one point. Whether it was luck or not, I'll find out next week, but today is Thursday. Let's find out exactly, March 12th. That's gonna be it for the 1 minute handstand video. I'll probably eventually make a video detailing exactly how I achieved 1 minute, but for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I have changed my plan to doing weekly videos for a compilation of hand hops and stuff like that. What I'm going to try to do is handstands, and then move on from handstands to the progressions of hand hops. So like handstand for a week, and the goal is going to be trying to get a 1 minute handstand. I just came out of a slight minor injury from my lower back because I was doing some tricking. I just did a lot of kicks, and my lower back the next day was just, I guess the best way to describe it is it was just extremely sore, but I'll talk more about that in a different video. For the compilation, let's go ahead and try to achieve a 1 minute handstand by the end of this week. I'm not fully healed yet, and I haven't done a single handstand ever since I got that injury, so it's gonna be a struggle, but let's just try. Okay, so that was about 28 seconds. I guess you can just use the camera to confirm that, or the video like once. I'd have to look afterwards. But that was about 28 seconds for day 1. I didn't feel any pain on my back. The only time I sort of felt a little slight like pinch was when I bent over to do it. But otherwise, if I stay straight, it doesn't hurt, so just have to be careful. I'm sure I'll be fully healed soon. I just have to be careful, stretch, and rest well. So I'm actually going to go ahead and edit these videos. So the next one's just going to be day by day doing handstands. I might do another recording in the same day and see how long I can get it. So I'm starting off with a time of about 20 something seconds, and then I'm trying to head to 1 minute. The longest I've ever held it was about 50 something seconds, so let's see if I can extend that by 10 seconds.